Hey guys, this is Jerry from Control Pair Munitions. This is another reassembly video. Alright guys, hey, thanks for tuning in. I got a special request for this particular firearm that we're going to do today. It is a Springfield EMP4 chambered at 9mm, and it is a 1911. So, my relationship with Springfield is, yes, they do send me stuff. They didn't send me this gun. This is actually a customer's gun who came in having a question, and I asked, because he wanted to know more how to take it apart, if he wanted me to do a video. And like I've suggested in other videos before, if you guys want to bring a gun down for me to do, so you guys have it and know how to take your gun apart personally via YouTube, very welcome to bring your gun down here and have me do that. That's what I'm going to do today. So with that, let's get right into this, and let's start the show. Alright guys, like I was just saying, I got the Springfield EMP4, just did a video on the disassembly of it, and I just did specify my relationships with Springfield Armory and all that other fun stuff. So, I still got that customer's gun. We're going to reassemble it now. We're going to show you guys how to go back into it from a disassembled view and put it together safely. So, let me put both cams back up here. And this is how we left it. So, the slide wasn't in the picture. So, we're going to put this guy back together. And it's very similar to any other 1911, minus that special tool that we talked about last time. I am very proud of my little chamfer job, as maybe I was a little worried that it wasn't going to work. But I could definitely feel a little burr on it. So, good stuff. So with our slide, like many other 1911s and other firearms, I like to put it upside down, and then I'm gonna move this, what's called the barrel lug, forward. Okay, and I'm going to slide that into the slide until it locks into place. I'm gonna move this barrel lug upwards. It doesn't have to be showing a hole just yet, because we gotta put the guide rod in. So the guide rod assembly with the special tool still in here. Do not pull the tool out. I don't think I specified that in the last video. If it's like this, if you pull it out, it's going to suck. You're going to have parts flying everywhere. You might get hurt. So another safety precaution, especially a lot of people that take apart guns all the time and clean them, they also recommend making sure you wear safety glasses. I have safety glasses kind of like everywhere. I am horrible at wearing them. I only wear them when I need to, so I'm cutting stuff and having stuff fly at my face. So if I plan on stuff flying at my face, that's when I have them on. So take this assembly. This is the rear part. As you can see here, there's like a little, I think you can see it, there's like a little cup or a little hook. That part's going to hug the barrel. So the barrel is going to go right up on top of that guy, or on top of that guy. So I'm going to put that in. That's going to go on top of the barrel. Oh, barrel lug went in. That's why we don't get it forward. It's just going to sit there just like that. And then I'm going to move the barrel lug forward like so. Yeah, you can see it. And then I'm going to get my frame, which is a Series 70 type-ish. It's aluminum, but it doesn't have that little drop safety dealio bob that you get like in a Series 80s, 1911s. Now, I keep this upside down on a lot of 1911s, but then I rotate it like so. And I'm going to get it until you can see through that hole there. So I'm going to move it forward so you don't see the hole. Now you see the hole. So there's that. Focus. That's where this guy is going to go into place. So I'm going to put that guy in that hole like so. And I'm going to then push this guy backwards to where my half moon, okay, there's a little half moon guy right there. It's going to go in that little square with a little detent. And I'm going to try to not give it an idiot scratch. So hopefully you can see that on the other camera. This is hard to do on that camera. Sometimes it's just hard to do, period. I don't want to ruin this guy's gun. So, there we go. Boom. So, once you get it past that detent, I've used screwdrivers and stuff like that before too, and to make it easier to go in. But, again, on camera, it's a little hard to do certain things. So, once I get that guy started, see it's there, like that. Just going to push it in the rest of the way. From here, I'm going to then lock the slide backwards all the way, like so. Yep, it's on the lock. Okay, lock. And then you can see that the tool went limp. Okay, tool goes limp. I'm going to pull the tool out, like so, and drop the slide. Function check everything, make sure everything's working right. Everything seems to be working right. And that's how you reassemble a 1911 from Springfield Armory, and the model is an EMP4. Again, other models are like this as well, from Kimber, so on and so forth. Don't have all those models off the top of my head, but most of the time it's going to be a bushingless 1911. So, real quick, let me grab a bushing 1911 so you guys can see that. So, with some help of me getting up, you did not notice I was missing. So, this is a bushinged 1911. That little horseshoe-looking thing that goes around the barrel is a bushing style 1911. So, that's the difference, guys. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask in the comments, email us, message us on Instagram, Facebook, however you want to get to us, Yelp even, if you need to do that. Training is important, guys. This is a tool. We have cleaning classes here at the shop. So if you want to take a cleaning class, learn how to clean your firearm, bring your firearm in. I do need to post more of those coming up. I have not. My fault. But we do those. There's other training classes out there. How to use your firearm. Not just the CCW class. CCW class is just laws, man. So get out there, get training. We offer training here through Tim Tactical Defense, or Chapman Tactical Defense. There's other training classes as well that are nearby here in Vegas, in the Vegas area. If you're in the Vegas area, there's other trainers that come to Vegas to do training, like Fieldcraft Survival, Mike Glover. There was a class today I wanted to go take, and it wasn't more a tactical course, but it was a land nav course. It was pretty cool. So there's courses all the time. Here, especially here in the Vegas area. There might be some, hopefully, in your area. They're all over the country. Maybe not so much in California. But they're around. Get training. Learn how to use this. Without the training, this guy's kind of useless. And you're not doing yourself a favor or your tool a favor by not knowing how to use it. Other than that, guys, thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell notification. If you, again, want to bring in your firearm just like this gentleman did, for me to take this apart and make it a YouTube video for you to know how to take apart your gun and put it back together as many times as you want, dude, that's what I'm here for. I'm here again to help you guys out. So, with that, take care, guys. Be safe.